In a world that finds itself so busy, what you don't want, that is to find yourself caught in the web of being so busy. Sometimes in life you must sit back, relax, and as one would say, smell the roses, observe what's taking place around you, and reflect on those that love you most, and that is your family, your friends, and others of whom are in your fears. Hi, I'm Chaplain Santucci, and today I'm talking about being so busy that you forget that you're in the world to serve. Being in the world to serve, Jesus teaches us that we must come aside and rest a while. Even he, being in such a demand, thought it not robbery to come aside and rest a while. So he said to his disciples one day, "Come aside with me and rest a while." Resting means putting away the things which you normally do, just enjoying nature as it now stands, smelling the sweet air around you, and just waking up to the smiles of just knowing that your family cares, and they care most of all for you. Have you ever tasted for a moment your favorite meal or maybe your favorite dessert, and then you want more? Well, that's what relaxation does for you. That's what rest does for you. I'm encouraging you today, within your busy schedule, to take out time to rest. You may need to set aside some time today, or maybe set aside some time for a week. Whatever it may be, but set aside some time just to rest. Resting is important. R-E-S-T. Taking out time for you and for yourself is very important. I'm encouraging you. As the birds, they fly through the air. As the breeze, it moves so seamlessly. And as the ocean crashes against the shore, take out time to rest. This is a great day to take out time today. It's a great time to just reflect upon the goodness of God. Did you feel it? Did you experience it? Just by breathing. May God bless you as you take out time for yourself today. And don't forget to rest.